Hi there, I'm Julie from the University of Winnipeg, Professional, Applied, and Continuing Education, PACE. PACE programs offer a comprehensive educational experience focusing on industry-aligned post-degree diplomas. Designed for real-world applicability, our business and IT-focused programs combine online and in-person learning and are delivered by practicing industry professionals who are subject matter experts. At PACE, students gain the essential knowledge, skills, and professional connections needed for success in their fields. At PACE, we value small cohort sizes. We value program content that is current and industry aligned. We value giving students plenty of opportunities to get involved with student life and local professional associations. We offer support and resources for students, including academic advising, immigration advice, and career services. Canam has worked with the University of Winnipeg PACE for many years. Canam's knowledgeable staff work closely with prospective students to find a suitable program based on the student's educational background and career goals. Kindly book an appointment with University of Winnipeg's PACE desk number 78 through your Canam counselors to meet with me from April 14th to the 19th on a date and time slot convenient for you. I look forward to seeing you in April.